The facilities and technologies that they have here, I feel like, are above par.
The space to work and collaborate with other students was super crucial because we spend so much time on campus studying, doing group projects.
I think the main thing about UIndy is the relationship between the students and the professors.
There is an abundance of one-on-one time with the professors here at UIndy.
It's really nice to have the staff and faculty connection where you can go up to them personally and ask questions.
They put the students first, your interests, things that you want to do, not necessarily that goes along with curriculum. If you have a certain area that you really enjoy, they'll make sure that you can help expand on that.
The University of Indianapolis really partnered with Community Health Network in a lot of different initiatives, even going as far as creating a global health center downstairs in the health pavilion here at UIndy.
The university brings in clients with some health issues from the community for hands-on practice with our students within our labs and within our classrooms. That allows for us to have hands-on practice in a safe space in the classroom for best student learning.
What we've got going on here with the practical experience for our students in our courses is something that you don't get a lot of places, and they're getting practical opportunities that prepare them for the internship and then eventually a career.